Okay, so I passed around, I looked at your models and I picked two of them that I think are very interesting. So we're going to talk about them. First one is this one. Who drew it? Right? It's yours? Okay. So, can you tell me what you drew? Here, I'll bring it closer.
The first one, the big square with the
here,
the
come
lines.
here. We'll show it here. Okay.
The big squares with the lines. This is the table.
Mm-hmm.
This is the ruler that I placed under, and this is the newspaper that we used to make the test. And I made this, so it means like you have to push the ruler down, so like just give it a push. So it's
okay. And this part here, is that what you're doing to the ruler?
Like it means like the ruler's gonna go down like this, and you're gonna push it.
It's okay, perfect. And for your second one, I saw that you added these lines here, right? That's the difference between the two.
Yeah, because this one, like you're gonna make the paper fall down. So like that's the line that makes the paper go down.
Okay.
The second.
Do you know why the paper went down?
Yeah, because we pushed harder and the air went under the paper that was up. So I pushed it down with the gravity force. So that one was stronger than the table.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So we're going to write here something very important that he said. So we're going to first draw the table that all of you drew. So we all agree on that there's a table. And then here we're going to put the newspaper and the ruler. Okay, so we realized that the difference between the first one and the second one was that there was more force, like Philippe said, there was more force being acted on to the ruler, and it was going against the air and the gravity, right? That's what you said. And which made the newspaper fall. And he drew it like this, so we'll draw it like that too. Which made the newspaper fall. Okay? So now we're going to look at the other model. Okay, so do you want to come up, and Catherine, and show me what you drew? Okay, here. So you can explain.
Well, I drew a table because we put the newspaper on the table. And under the newspaper, I put the ruler. But when you tap the ruler, there's not enough force to conquer the air and the gravity.
Okay.
So the newspaper stayed on the table. And the table was...
What was the table being used as?
The table was another sort of force that was preventing the newspaper from falling to the ground.
Okay, wow, okay, that's really good. And for the second one, you put an arrow here. What does that symbolize?
It means that your hand is pushing down on the ruler and the air is going on the ruler too.
Okay.
So, but like it's going slowly, there's enough, the air has time to pass in the newspaper, so that's why it lifts up.
Okay, where are you? You said air is here or force is here?
Well, your hand pushing down.
Okay, and then the
air is there.
Air is going down here.
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. So we're going to add that to our collective model. Like Catherine said, when we're pushing slowly onto the ruler, there's air going under it, which makes the newspaper go up, okay? So all of you drew that really well. I'm going to put arrows, but you guys, some of you put lines, which could work also. Okay, so apart from this, I think all of you understood really well. Just a basic recap. So what did we say today? We said that every time so how do things move? Can you guys tell me how do things move? What did we say? What did we learn today?
We learned that there was the forces each things.
Yes, there's forces. So you need to have a force in order for something to move. Just like Miss Ariel did before when she was holding the ruler, when she didn't act a force, like when she didn't put a force to it, nothing was moving, right? Okay. Anything else? Yes.
There's also there's different forces.
There's
like
different forces.
ways to push and pull.
Yeah, push and pull. Those are very, very important. Okay? Push and pull. I'm glad you guys got that. Anything else? Yes.
Well, gravity is a force.
Gravity is a force. That's very good. That's very important. And every time we talk about something moving, we should always take gravity into consideration. Okay? Anything? Yes, Catherine.
The table also was a force because it was stopping the newspaper from falling to the ground.
Yes, that's very important as well. Okay, so I think all of you did really good. And thank you for helping us with our project. And we really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.